Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite in 2025. So step 1, open your browser and log in to business.facebook.com or Meta Business Suite. Step 2, on the left menu, go to the business settings and then click WhatsApp accounts. Step 3, click add WhatsApp account and then enter your business phone number and you will receive a notification or verification code on WhatsApp. Step 4, enter the code to confirm ownership, and once verified, your WhatsApp account will be linked to your Meta Business Suite. Step 5, go back to Inbox under Meta Business Suite and you will now see WhatsApp as one of your messaging channels. Step 6, test it by sending a message from another number and you should receive the message inside the Business Suite inbox. Step 7, you can also run ads with WhatsApp CTA buttons now that it's integrated. And now, your Meta Business Suite and WhatsApp are fully connected. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.